This is VEVOR's professional high-grade donut machine maker. A couple things. You will want to fully clean the unit. At least ours came pretty dirty. So fully clean everything and wipe everything down completely. But as you can see, you can make quite a few donuts. 3, 6, 9 donuts. This film does come off, so you just peel this white gray film. It operates just plugging into your regular 3-prong wall outlet. And here you have your timer over here. You have your temperature, your on and off, and there it kind of tells you, so 170 Celsius would be 338 Fahrenheit. Again, clean underneath and throughout the whole unit. And these are some of the donuts that you guys can make. Now, of course, we gave it a system. We did not make these donuts. We gave the system to a friend. But if you're creative and you know how to make really good donuts, you can make donuts. We are not creative. We are not good at baking. But they are.